So we're back out here again. Remember, grease monkey tactics, borderline village idiot with traumatic head injuries. So this is how we're doing it. Try this at your own will. You fuck up, that's your bad. Don't follow me. Take it to a shop if you can. But hood tactics. 10-pound sledge. This is about slap number 7 or 8. I lost count. I just got back and smacked it about 3 more times. So one for good measure. All right. That's what I'm going to do. It looks like it moved a little bit more. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to take this wheel, loosen this wheel up. Then I'm going to lift it so I can take this wheel off, put my back on, and see how much more it moved. So I'm going to pause now. All right. So it moved slightly a little bit more. Moved more yesterday. Should really measure better, more precise, but right now I might have to lift up, look under now, look a little bit better, but got a little bit more movement, barely, just barely. So wrecking wood, split and broke this side off, but yeah, this is where we are. pulled it a little bit more, shifted it a little bit more. As you can see, that was lined up, but now it's about 1/4 of an inch pulled. So I think this is going to be it for today. It's kind of cold. I'm in a bit of pain. I still got to go get that bolt. I'm going to go get it tomorrow since I'll be over by Home Depot. So I can get that. I think it's about a 45 millimeter bolt. Got to get 2 big fender washers and we'll go from there. So that's what we're doing. This is how we're getting it, a little bit village idiots type of stuff. But hey, do what we gotta do, right? It's not all the way tightened. It's just hand tightened. We're not hitting these because why? When you have a stock spare steely, that could take some of the damage. Whack and all that whack. So you guys have a good day. Wash your hands, drink you some water. I'm gonna go get another bottle in a minute. But slowly but surely I'm gonna climb up under there, look at some of the whatever else is going on in there. Maybe I might be able to smack it back this way underneath. I'm not really sure how I'm going to be able to do it. Might have to go get a 5-pound dead blow and just rock it a few times. So, you know. Whew. I did smack this around a little bit, so it did move just a little bit, so slightly compared to, you know. Really, really, really do need just take it to a shop, but right now that's impossible. So I'm going to end the video like that. Have a good day and be safe. Peace.